Meaning of elaboration.
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 Elaboration. Elaboration refers to the process of adding more detail or information to a concept, idea or statement. It involves expanding on the original thought or topic in order to provide a deeper understanding of it. The result of elaboration is a more comprehensive and nuanced understanding of the subject matter, which can help to clarify its meaning or significance. Elaboration is often used in academic writing, research, and analysis, but it can also be applied in everyday conversation and communication to enhance clarity and precision.